Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mario from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today we're presenting the brand new 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 26KF. We already had that video before on a 2025, but this is the 2026 because they did a lot of changes for 2026. Very important for you as a consumer. One of the major changes, you will see it, is right here. This part and that part. What does mean? That's mean a drop frame. They make a drop frame in the front to gain bigger compartment storage door and to gain more storage for you and more pass-through. So if you go on the other side, I want to open it for you guys so you could see. Now it's deep, so I could put more, so it's deeper from height and width, so I could store more things like picnic tables, lounge chairs, generators, and so on. Because we have a lot of customers, they say, well, nice trailers, but the outside storage is shallow doors. We can't put anything in it. Now you can. They made all the jack is electric. So right now you have 2 electric stabilizer jack in the front and 2 electric stabilizer jack in the back. And it's very easy now. All you do, just push a switch and you drop them down. So if you come over here, I put the switch and you could see first one's come. So the way how these jacks work is the first leg will touch the ground, then the second leg keep going until touch the ground. And the purpose of these jacks is to take the tug from the unit, so they're not to raise the unit completely off the ground. It's to stabilizer. That's the reason why they call it electric stabilizer jack, to stabilize the unit. So now on the Cherokee Grey Wolf, they give you everything is electric, nothing manual. In 2025 and the previous year, it used to be manual switch jack. Now it's electric. So those are the 2 major changes for Cherokee Grey Wolf all product. You know, and now I'm presenting the model of the 26KF, which is the most popular bunk model. Okay, so electric tongue jack in the front, electric 4 stabilizer jack, drop frame in the front to gain more storage, nice power awning with blue LED light. Typical Cherokee Grey Wolf, they have reflecting windows. You can see, I see my reflection on the entry door as well the windows of the unit. Complete outdoor kitchen. That's the beauty about Cherokee Grey Wolf. They give you a fridge for your soda or beer or water. They give you ice maker. How many times you try to do a drink and you need ice and you have to walk inside the trailer? They give you a nice ice maker. Outside shower, hot and cold here. So if you want to rinse your hand, rinse something, you have a faucet right there, hot and cold with the head. Nice grill, barbecue and grill. And now people, they ask me, what do you mean by grill? Well, they give you that piece here. Let me take it from the bag so I'll show you. So if you want a grilling, so nice grill for bacon, eggs, fajitas, that kind of stuff. And if you have a steak, you could put your steak here right away. And if you want to put this one for your fajitas, you do like this, and voila. Now I could put my fajitas or eggs or bacon. So come with that piece with it. And normally when you come to our lot, we keep them in the front storage so you could have it. So you could see it. All right, so complete outdoor kitchen, fridge, ice maker, outside shower, grill or barbecue. They give you even a TV bracket here. So I could put my 32-inch TV here. They give you the bracket, they give you the coax cable, the 110, and beautiful outside speakers with the blue light in it. It's amazing. So they give you everything in this unit. That's what about Cherokee. They give you too many things. Like I tell them, you give us a lot of things. Another entry door through the bathroom. Now this is a good floor plan for family with a bunch of kids. Why? Because when you go camping, I'm cooking, okay? I'm sitting, I'm enjoying the outdoor. Now I need to use the bathroom. If I don't have this door, I have to open this, walk through all the living area to get to the bathroom. If I want to use the bathroom and I do my own business, I open this door, walk in, wash my hand if I want, use the toilet, I could take a shower if I want, but the most people when they go camping, what they use? Outdoor and the bathroom. Outdoor to barbecue and grilling and enjoy the outdoor, and bathroom to use washing hand or using the bathroom. So that's the beauty about the 26KF, is they giving you 2 entry door, one to the living room and one through the bathroom. Again, another Cherokee Grey Wolf, they give you a rack. When you have a family with a bunch of kids, what do you take with you? Ice chests, lounge chairs, bikes, firewood, fire pits, bicycles, electric bike, you name it. And then come with that tray in the back. Plus the spare. They give you the camera. A lot of them, they don't give you camera, but the Cherokee Grey Wolf, they give you a camera and it's wireless and work on your cell phone. Coming over here, they don't waste any space. They give you another storage underneath the bunk. So you have double over double. So there's a big bunk here and a bunk here. Each bunk has a window. That's a plus for the Cherokee Grey Wolf. So they have a bunk for the upper bunk. Sorry, they have window for the upper bunk and they have another window for the lower bunk. Big storage. And this storage, you could access from inside as well outside. So storage in the front, storage in the back, plenty of room. There's a place here for your power cord, right there. Hot and cold outside shower, endless hot water heater. All the hookup is right there. This is worth $1 million, because how many times you go camping, you have to ask your wife, give me my phone, I need to turn the flashlight because I can't see the dump valve or where I hook up. Or you have to take a flashlight with you to see. They give it to you, so they have a nice LED light, bright, so you could see when you hook up your city water connections. You know how, when you hook up your sewage, the gray and the black valve, so you could see all this at night because they have this nice light. Endless hot water heaters, is a big deal, especially with family with a bunch of kids. This is your slide out with the sofa and the dinette. Cable hookup. That's the storage we talk about it. This is the 2 propane tank with the cover, electric tongue jack. Now let's go inside and show you all the new changes they did for 2026. Cherokee Grey Wolf for 2026 model. What they did, this company, they give you way too much things. Way too many things. And I tell them, I mean, there's nothing left for the customer to do. We're gonna start piece by piece. First, when you walk in, they give you a really nice sofa. And this is a jackknife sofa. There's a storage underneath it. And turn to a bed. Excuse me, let me just move this. And turn to bed. Now, they said, we're gonna give the customers ottoman. I said, wow. So there's a nice here ottoman. I could sit, put my feet on it, sit, relax, and watch the TV. The beauty about this floor plan is the sofa and the dinette is facing the TV and the fireplace. So you don't have to twist your leg, your head, and your arm and this kind of stuff. It's right there straighting you. Also, if you have more kids, you could use this ottoman so they could sit and watch a movie. So this ottoman, use it as a seat, extra seating, ottoman for the put your feet on it, or storage. You could store things in it. So this is a nice thing they did for 26. Now, this floor plan, they thought about every storage, because everybody told me in the 26 DBH lacking the storage. Well, not this one, because why? You pull this door, look how big the shelf. Look all the storage, and they have a lip. You follow me? It's right there. And then there's even one 10 plug in case if you want to put something like Dyson or something you need 110, you have room. And people, they say, well, does not come on you when you're driving? No, because why? You have safety latch. There's no way it's gonna come. Even if you try, and the magnet, you could see. Also, ladies, don't complain, no pantries. I'm giving you a big pantry here. And storage, you could do all kind of stuff. Now, next to the jackknife sofa, you have a U-shaped dinette. And Cherokee Grey Wolf, they did always right. Cushioning is very comfy, easy. I could sit, 5 people, 1 here, 1 there, 2 here, 4 to 5 is depending on their size. It's not like the other brands, they give you small dinette. Also, you have the nice zebra shade. So daytime, like this, you do daytime, I could see through it. Or I could do nighttime. I bring it a little bit down like this. I can't see through it. So that's another advantage. They give you the zebra shade and a big U-shaped dinette. Also, nobody noticed that what I like recently, they start doing these middle corners. So you have a solid middle corners, so you don't have a flimsy piece of wood that's gonna fly on you when you're traveling. They put this blue light LED behind the slide to give you the nice Invion. That's kind of things Cherokee Grey Wolf, they do on offer. Now, look at the kitchen. Look how big. Look how many doors here you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Glass cabinet door. How many plates I could put? I could put dozens of plates and dishes. Now, counter space, very roomy. Look how many plugs they give you. They give you 4 plugs. You put coffee maker, espresso, toaster, mixers, whatever you want. Nice rinse cup, rice faucet, country sink with a cutting board. Deep. I love this country sink. Place for utensils. Place for trash can. They give you even the trash can and place for your trash can. That's another advantage for you when you talk about Cherokee Grey Wolf. Nice hood with light and fan. Nice 3-burner range, and you could use this as a backsplash. They give you air fryer convection microwave. That's air fryer convection microwave. So it's a microwave as well electric oven and the air fryer. 11 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt, and again, folks, you don't have to worry because it has 200 watt solar panel on the roof and 12 volt refrigerator. Beautiful bunk room for the kids, or bunk beds, bunk corners, whatever you want to call it. Even they give you this, which is how many kids they put their toys. I put toys, I put their underwears, socks, shirts. So you have 6 of them, 2 in the top. So they give you this. They thought, because the people who build it, they have family and they have kids, so they know what the family need a storage for the kids. So each kid could put his own stuff here, and you could use it for storage. If you don't want to use it, you could, nice shelf. They give you a place area, so when the kids climbing, they could step on it here before they come down to the ladder, so they don't fall off. Like some of them, they give you this bunk and ladder just glued to it, and poof, the kids fall off. They give you area to kind of rest on it before you come down on the ladder. Or you could use it as a shelf where the kids, they could put their iPad, laptop. There's USB plug, both kind, 110. Look what they did this. This is amazing. You could use this at night when the kids go to bed so they don't see things dark. It's like a fox or it's like a rabbit or fox, something like that. But it's nice for the kids. They love it. Kids love it. I get a lot of good feedback. So you have nice 2 bunks, 2 in the top, 2 at the bottom, and they don't waste the bottom. They give you storage from inside, and as I showed you from outside, half of it is the storage from outside. Going to the bathroom. Look how roomy. I could use it as a dress room. Nice medicine cabinet. Fantastic fan, big fan. Not the cheapy one like the other brand. Look how big the fan. That's a big deal. Big sink. Place for towels. No issue with knees. Plenty knees. Plus, easy to get access from outside. When they coming in from camping, straight here. So you tell the kids, go from the back door, take a shower, leave your dirty clothes, and go clean to the trailer. A nice shower. Very roomy, very high. Also, I used to have kids. It's good to give them a nice bath if they're little kids. You sit here and give them bath. So give you an ideas. Sometimes people, they say, I talk too much. No, I just give you ideas because there's a lot of things you could do with this unit. Now, another changes they did for 2026, they give you a nice pocket door, but the main difference in this versus the other here, and I want the cameraman focus on it. King size bed on a 26-foot bunk house. Where do you find this? King size bed. So they give you a beautiful king size bed. They put deeper cabinet in the front, deeper closet over there. And again, I told them, guys, you don't leave nothing for us to sell as accessories. They give you even the bracket for the TV bedrooms. I mean, they give you everything. You just put your TV here and you swing it in. Put your TV and swing it in and go watch it. They give you everything. They give you all the bracket for the TV, outside bracket, inside bracket, bedroom bracket. They give it to you. Other brand, they don't. Plenty, shelf, you know, jeans, polos, you name it, all storage. Also, they give you another bins here underneath it. So you have 4 bins, socks, underwears, blankets, sheets. And then we talk about that storage is storage from outside. Now, I want to show you this trick because they're smart. The one who thought about it is smart. I'm a type of person, when I go to bed, I use a breathing machine because I snore. And how many times when you go camping or go hotels, you have struggle with all these hoses for your breathing machines and they just mess. Well, look, they did this is right. You move the shelf. First, you could use the shelf for laptop, books, water, whatever. But mostly this is, I really like it, especially like me. I could put my breathing machine here. I could plug it in off the inverter, small inverter for the machine. Design so I could run off the battery or 110. I could get my hose through here. So when I lay down, I push the shelf. I don't have big machine next to me running and a clutter of hoses. I get it there and I go to bed. So this is who built this one. He thought about a breathing machine when you go to bed. Like some people, they use it. Now, even if you're not using it, it's no big deal. Use it for a laptop, iPad. You could get your cord from the other side, plug it in, and enjoy nice shelf. Isn't it beautiful? It's amazing what they did. Look how much storage in that corner. They got it from inside, from outside, both pantries, you name it. So this is the 26KF floor plan. Going here, that's controllers. Show you all the controller for, you know, the light, auxiliaries. Many USB plug chargers here, there, everywhere there's USB plug for your phone or your device. Bluetooth speakers. There's 2 speakers inside, 2 speakers outside, and again they run off Bluetooth. Power on, endless hot water heaters loaded. Guys, you need to come take advantage for this deal because what we did for 2026, you're getting all these extras, and I don't want to repeat it so you don't get bored. You're getting all these extras for the same price what we sold the 2025. Coming in and grab this because we're limited run. Because we hear the manufacturer, they're going to raise the price due to the tariff, but the management decide to keep the price of this unit same the price what we sold the 2025. And again, we have a price no one could match. But the main thing, we have no hidden fees, no destination fees, no shipping, no dealer prep, free get ready package. We make it ready as you see like here, beautiful. We make it beautiful for you so you could pick it up and go straight to the campground. At no cost to you, just you pay the sale price plus tax and licensing. Come to Best RV and grab the brand new 26KF.